मलाई घर लिनुहोस्।
Take me home. Take me home. Take me home.
मेरो कार लिनुहोस्।
Take my car. Take my car. Take my car.
औषधि लिनुहोस्।
Take the medicine. Take the medicine. Take the medicine.
हामीलाई कुरा गर्नुहोस्।
Talk to us. Talk to us. Talk to us.
प्रविधि सधैँ परिवर्तन हुँदैछ।
Technology is always changing. Technology is always changing. Technology is always changing.
मलाई एक साँचो कथा बताउनुहोस्।
Tell me a true story. Tell me a true story. Tell me a true story.
मलाई यस केटीको बारेमा बताऊ।
Tell me about this girl. Tell me about this girl. Tell me about this girl.
तिम्रो परिवारको बारेमा केही बताऊ।
Tell me something about your family. Tell me something about your family. Tell me something about your family.
मलाई कथा बताउनुहोस्।
Tell me the story. Tell me the story. Tell me the story.
मलाई सत्य बताउनुहोस्।
Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
भन म के गरौँ।
Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
मलाई भन्नुहोस् शराब कहाँ छ।
Tell me where the wine is. Tell me where the wine is. Tell me where the wine is.
मलाई आफ्नो नाम बताउनुहोस्।
Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
मलाई तपाईको वास्तविक नाम बताउनुहोस्।
Tell me your real name. Tell me your real name. Tell me your real name.
आउनुभएकोमा धन्यवाद।
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
आजको लागि धन्यवाद।
Thank you for today. Thank you for today. Thank you for today.
प्रयासको लागि धन्यवाद।
Thanks for trying. Thanks for trying. Thanks for trying.
नियम सरल छ।
The rules are simple. The rules are simple. The rules are simple.
अफवाह देशभर फैलियो।
The rumor spread throughout the country. The rumor spread throughout the country. The rumor spread throughout the country.
विद्यालय बन्द छ।
The school is closed. The school is closed. The school is closed.
विद्यालय वर्ष लगभग माथि छ
The school year is almost over. The school year is almost over. The school year is almost over.
दोस्रो पाठ धेरै सजिलो छ
The second lesson is very easy. The second lesson is very easy. The second lesson is very easy.
परिस्थितिले अर्को वर्ष परिवर्तन गर्यो
The situation changed the following year. The situation changed the following year. The situation changed the following year.
आकाश उज्जवल र स्पष्ट थियो
The sky was bright and clear. The sky was bright and clear. The sky was bright and clear.
सैनिक भाग्यो
The soldier ran. The soldier ran. The soldier ran.
सैनिकहरूले धेरै शक्तिशाली हतियारहरू थिए
The soldiers had more powerful weapons. The soldiers had more powerful weapons. The soldiers had more powerful weapons.
सुप धेरै तातो छ
The soup is too hot. The soup is too hot. The soup is too hot.
सुप थप नमक चाहिन्छ
The soup needs more salt. The soup needs more salt. The soup needs more salt.
सूर्य रातमा चमक गर्दैन
The sun doesn't shine at night. The sun doesn't shine at night. The sun doesn't shine at night.
सूर्य एक तारा हो
The sun is a star. The sun is a star. The sun is a star.
सूर्य चन्द्र भन्दा ठुलो छ
The sun is larger than the moon. The sun is larger than the moon. The sun is larger than the moon.
सूर्य चम्किरहेको छ
The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The sun is shining.
ट्याङ्क खाली छ
The tank is empty. The tank is empty. The tank is empty.
ट्याङ्क पूर्ण छ
The tank is full. The tank is full. The tank is full.
कार्य सजिलो छैन
The task is not easy. The task is not easy. The task is not easy.
चिया तातो छ
The tea is hot. The tea is hot. The tea is hot.
चोरले आफ्नो अपराध स्वीकार गर्यो
The thief admitted his crime. The thief admitted his crime. The thief admitted his crime.
चोर भाग्यो
The thief ran away. The thief ran away. The thief ran away.
तिनलाई गिरफ्तार गरियो
The three were arrested. The three were arrested. The three were arrested.
ट्रेन आइपुग्यो
The train has arrived. The train has arrived. The train has arrived.
ट्रेन अहिलेसम्म आएको छैन
The train hasn't come yet. The train hasn't come yet. The train hasn't come yet.
ट्रेन आउँदैछ
The train is coming. The train is coming. The train is coming.
रुखहरू हरियो छन्
The trees are green. The trees are green. The trees are green.
गाउँमा कुनै बिजुली छैन
The village has no electricity. The village has no electricity. The village has no electricity.
युद्ध 3 वर्षपछि सुरु भयो
The war began 3 years later. The war began 3 years later. The war began 3 years later.
1945 मा युद्ध समाप्त भयो
The war ended in 1945. The war ended in 1945. The war ended in 1945.
युद्ध अझै चलिरहेको छ
The war is still going on. The war is still going on. The war is still going on.
पानी राम्रो छ
The water is good. The water is good. The water is good.
सन्झ्या खुला छन्
The windows are open. The windows are open. The windows are open.
संसार परिवर्तन भएको छ
The world has changed. The world has changed. The world has changed.
संसारमा 5 महासागर छन्
The world has 5 oceans. The world has 5 oceans. The world has 5 oceans.
त्यसपछि हामी थिएटर गए
Then we went to the theater. Then we went to the theater. Then we went to the theater.
त्यसपछि तपाईले के गरे
Then what did you do? Then what did you do? Then what did you do?
तिनीहरू शान्त छन्
They are quiet. They are quiet. They are quiet.
तिनीहरू बहिनी हुन्
They are sisters. They are sisters. They are sisters.
तिनीहरू स्मार्ट हो
They are smart. They are smart. They are smart.
तिनीहरू बलियो छन्
They are strong. They are strong. They are strong.
तिनीहरू बेवकूफ छन्
They are stupid. They are stupid. They are stupid.
तिनीहरू दुश्मन हुन्
They are the enemy. They are the enemy. They are the enemy.
तिनीहरू प्रयास गर्दैछन्
They are trying. They are trying. They are trying.
तिनीहरू बेहोस हुन्छन्
They are unconscious. They are unconscious. They are unconscious.
तिनीहरू तपाईलाई प्रयोग गर्दैछन्
They are using you. They are using you. They are using you.
तिनीहरू उहाँका धेरै चासो हुन्
They are very fond of him. They are very fond of him. They are very fond of him.
तिनीहरू धेरै अजीब छन्
They are very strange. They are very strange. They are very strange.
तिनीहरू धेरै उपयोगी छन्
They are very useful. They are very useful. They are very useful.
तपाईको भविष्यको बारे सोच्नुहोस्
Think about your future. Think about your future. Think about your future.
एक क्षणको लागि सोच्नुहोस्
Think for a moment. Think for a moment. Think for a moment.
तपाईको भविष्यको सोच्नुहोस्
Think of your future. Think of your future. Think of your future.
12 जना व्यक्तिलाई पक्राउ गरियो
13 people were detained. 13 people were detained. 13 people were detained.
12 जना मानिस मारिए
13 people were killed. 13 people were killed. 13 people were killed.